Hello, good morning, everything. Hello, guys. This is what happened now. See, the snow is covered up na the floor, ay the river, ay the roots. Si mana bitak maglaglag na. Okay, it's snow. Okay, see. Ta-da-da. Hello guys, this is what happened. Yag snoring kuman. See, tanawan niyo ang lupa guys. Oh, wa na mag-ice. I'm going to make what is that now? Oh my god. Guys, I'm going to look the line, the power line again. Maybe they're just only it's still frozen, guys. Power line still frozen. See? Ako pagatan. Hello. Look at this. See, guys. Where am at work because of the snow. Look at the surroundings. So beautiful, but it's very cold. Look guys, matabunan na sa bana ako sakyanan. See? Oh my god. Now, look at that. Surroundings, no car roaming around. I'm just the only one. See? Kusugin uwan. Uwanan is no. I'm going to put here because I'm going to. Okay. See. Paru. I'm just having fun. See? Snow. Guys, see? It's not fun in the snow, as I'm gonna tell you. Look, see? Oh my god. The surroundings. Now, my car, it's almost gonna be covered. Almost gonna covered by the snow. Look at. No work, no people work today. Because of the frozen now. See, still frozen. This one here, still frozen. Cover. This one covered na. Some of them are frozen. Okay guys, masud na ako kaya nakatignaw, nakabuhok. Hello. Guys, so wala pa mag-subscribe, subscribe na my YouTube channel, Alma's Journey in America, okay? And, well, so far, until tomorrow, they're gonna be raining, snow rain. And I'm going to make snowman. Winter Wonderland. Kami ang pagalaong. Ang mga trees guys, diba? See? And I love you all. And thank you for watching. And please subscribe my YouTube channel, Alma's Journey in America. So instead na uwan, ang pag-rain niya is snow. See? It's amazing, remember? In the Philippines, no. Just only in the prejudice. I love you all. And please subscribe my YouTube channel, Alma's Journey in America. And hope you all safe and good night and good morning, whoever see this vlog. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Dalaygon ang Ginoo. O ginaot unta, magpadayon ka mo sa inyong katuro.